Arthur, I just spent 2 hours clicking through the console building my dev environment. Then I had to build staging, and I missed one checkbox, and nothing works.
You built a house twice by hand and forgot a wall. Today we fix that forever. Terraform.
Terraform sounds like a sci-fi weapon.
Close. It's infrastructure as code. Instead of clicking, you write a blueprint. One server, one database, one bucket. Terraform reads it and builds the real thing.
A blueprint, like an actual text file.
A folder of text files in a language called HCL that reads almost like English. Resource, server. Size, small. Region, Virginia.
And that works for which cloud?
All of them. Terraform speaks AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure through plugins called providers. One tool every cloud we cover on this channel.
Hold on, that sounds like the wishlist thing. Kubernetes Tuesday?
Same religion. Declarative. You describe the end state, not the steps. Terraform figures out what to create, change, or delete to get there.
Okay, so I write my blueprint. Then what? I just say go?
3 commands. First, Terraform init. It downloads the providers, the translators for your cloud.
Init, got it. Second?
Terraform plan. The contractor walks the site and hands you a quote. I will create these 7 things, change this one, destroy nothing.
Wait, it tells me exactly what it's going to do before it does it?
Every single time. Nobody swings a wrecking ball without showing you first. Read the plan, then say yes.
That would have caught my missing checkbox.
The third command, Terraform apply. The crew builds exactly what the quote promised. Minutes, not hours.
And when I need staging?
Same blueprint, different variables. Dev, staging, production. 3 identical houses from one set of drawings. Your checkbox can never be forgotten again because it's written down.
Quick pause. My infrastructure is about to become a text file, and honestly, subscribe if you're on this ride too. Thursdays are DevOps Day.
The catalog compounds, people.
Okay, one thing bugs me. How does Terraform remember what it built? What if someone deletes a server by hand?
The state file. Terraform's memory, a record of everything it built. Every run, it compares 3 things: your blueprint, its memory, and reality.
So if reality drifts?
The plan shows the drift. This server is missing, I'll rebuild it. Blueprint wins. Reality obeys.
That's a little terrifying and a lot beautiful.
And when you're done experimenting, Terraform destroy. Everything it built, gone in one command.
No more forgotten $40 servers running for a month.
The billing horror story vaccine. Build, learn, destroy, sleep well.
And these blueprints, they live in Git, don't they? Like the YAML?
Exactly like the YAML. Version control, code review. Your teammate reads the plan before it merges. Remember the robot assembly line from CI/CD week? The pipeline can run Terraform for you.
The robots build the factory now?
The robots build the factory. That's the DevOps endgame.
One honest footnote. Terraform's maker changed its license in 2023, so the community forked it, OpenTofu. Same language, same workflow. Now land it, Lucius.
Terraform is infrastructure as code. Describe your cloud in text files and it builds the real thing. Is on AWS, Google, or Azure. 3 commands, init grabs the translators, plan shows the quote, apply builds the house. The plan never surprises you. State is its memory, Git is its home, and destroy is the off switch for surprise bills.
Tomorrow we finish Storage Week with Azure's bucket. Every cloud has one. We'll see what Microsoft's hides.
My checkboxes are retiring. See you tomorrow.